Discover the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. Imagine a world where powerful productivity meets unmatched portability. Lenovo's IdeaPad 3i Chromebook redefines convenience with its sleek design and robust performance, ideal for those constantly on the move. Experience top-tier technology wrapped in a stylish abyss blue finish. Dive into vivid visuals on a remarkable 15.6-inch Full HD display. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels, enjoy sharp images and crisp graphics that make every video call and movie more immersive, bringing your work and entertainment to life with stunning clarity. Say goodbye to lag with the Intel Celeron N4500 processor and 8 GB RAM. This dynamic duo ensures swift responsiveness, making multitasking seamless. Open multiple tabs, run apps smoothly, and boost your productivity without missing a beat or experiencing slowdown. Keep all your essential files, photos, and videos at your fingertips with 64 GB eMMC storage. Enjoy the ease of access and ample room without compromising on speed, allowing you to focus more on your tasks rather than worrying about storage limitations. Whether at home or on the go, versatile connectivity with USB and USB-C ports keeps you plugged into your world. Plus, enhanced security features like a privacy shutter and physical laptop lock provide peace of mind wherever you use your Chromebook. Don't let this opportunity pass. With prices slashed to $149.99 from $289.99, it's time to upgrade your tech game. Head over to Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0bsj46ky9 now and embrace the future of portable computing. Get yours while it's in stock and elevate your workplay lifestyle today.